Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and we have the new Keurig K Supreme coffee maker that we got. We're going to do an unboxing of it and see what it looks like. We're going to take it out and see what's up. 4-cup different sizes, 66 ounces. I'm gonna show you the box up front. So this is pretty much what it looks like up front, so you guys can see the box. This is what it looks like on the side. This is the other side of it. And this is the other side of it, so you guys can see what's up. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of it, unboxing review, and we're gonna see what is included in the Keurig. So let's open this up. I need the knife. Alright, so we have the directions that are on the top of it. They're right there. These are the directions right here that come out of the top. This is some kind of plastic container. I do not know what it is. Oh, this is for a filter. This is to put a filter, I guess. That came in the box right here. This is to add a filter to the reservoir, it says. So that's in there. All right, let's take out the top. All right, so it goes like this right here. And nothing else in the box, that's it. So let's unwrap this and see what we got. Let's see if it's in the... Yeah, that's in there, okay. All right, so this is kind of what it looks like out of the box. This is what you can expect to have. All the controls are on the top. 8 ounce, 6 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, over ice, strong. Power button is on there. Your reservoir is right here. It's all taped up. Let's see if we can take it off and just see. So this is the reservoir right here that you're gonna fill up. Probably the same size as the other one, maybe, I'm not sure. I guess because it's a different size, right? Kind of the same size. So this is kind of the reservoir. I'm not sure how many ounces there are in the reservoir. Maybe it said it on the box. Top comes off like that. It is taped on, so you gotta take this tape off. And this is the reservoir, how it goes. So the top goes on just like that, and it slides right in just like that, and then it, I guess, pulls the water in from the bottom. So that's kind of what it looks like. And back again to the front, this is how you open it. Pops open just like that. You put your K-cup in there, then you can close it, and obviously it'll work like a regular coffee machine, regular Keurig. I think that's all that really moves. This thing comes out as well. The bottom comes out as well if you have to clean it. If you spill coffee in here, this comes out and you can clean it. You can't take it, oh you can. So you can pull the bottom out and be able to clean it, and then it slides right back in, and then you can put the grate right over it. That's kind of how that works. And that's about it. That's the, here's the plug right here. It's a 3-prong with a ground, of course, because it does draw a lot of power, so it should have ground. And that's kind of what you're looking at. So that's about it. That's the unboxing review of it. There's some more tape over here. I don't think that comes out. No, that doesn't come out. So that's about it of what it looks like. And there you go. So that's the Keurig. I'll put the model number down in the description, obviously, because I don't know the model number right now. It's just called the K Supreme is what they call it. I guess you hit the middle button to start, and then you pick your size right here, and that's kind of how it works. So that's about it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Please subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures of everything else I like to review and help you guys out before spending your money, and you can see what we get before you decide to get it and help you out before you spend your hard-earned money on it. All right, so that's it for Glenn Velvet Reviews. Everyone have a good one. Enjoy. Bye-bye.